how to electronically file using the Service Bureau. This tutorial will show you how to generate and upload to send to the Service Bureau for IRS or SSA electronic filing. By this step, you should have printed and mailed your forms yourself or via the Service Bureau, made any changes to your recipient data, reprinted and mailed updated forms to your recipients. Now that the information in your software is up to date, you're ready to create and upload to send to the Service Bureau for electronic filing to the IRS or SSA. Under the third section entitled Filing My Forms, click on Via the Service Bureau. Then click Filing with the IRS Upload, located at the top of your screen, to initiate a helpful wizard that will guide you through the upload process. After carefully reading the informational screen, click on Check for Updates to ensure that you're running the most recent version of your software. If there is a software update, please apply it before proceeding. The IRS requires that you have unique account numbers on every form. If you don't already have account numbers, press the Start Generate Account Numbers wizard at the bottom of the screen. If you already have account numbers, please disregard the next few steps. Read the first information screen, then press Next. You can select the filers for which you would like to generate account numbers. For this example, we'll select All Forms for all filers. Click Next. Confirm the settings and click Finish to create account numbers for your filers. A pop-up window will appear telling you how many forms were scanned and account numbers generated. Click OK. Click Begin at the lower right corner of the screen to continue. In the next screen, select filers you wish to upload. You can choose from the following options: All of my filers, Your current filer, or Selected Tag Filers. Next, pick form types. The choices here are All Form Types, the Recurrent Form Type, or Select Tag Form Types. The Service Bureau suggests selecting All of my filers and all form types. If you're ready to send all of your records for printing, this action will grab everything at once in one easy upload. Next, select whether you're sending originals or corrections. Please remember that forms are only considered corrections if they have already been filed to the IRS and you are submitting a second corrected file. Choose which upload action you will be using. If this is the first time you've uploaded these specific forms to the Service Bureau for filing, select Original First Upload for these forms. If you've already uploaded, but received a notification from the IRS explaining that your previous upload was rejected, then select Replacement. Since these forms have not yet been filed, I will select Original. Please select this option if you would like to participate in the Combined Federal-State Filing Program. The Combined Federal-State Filing Program is a federal program where the IRS forwards certain 1099 record types to participating states so that they may also receive the data for more information. Please look up the Combined Federal-State Filing Program on our website. Enter or edit your contact information. Now select your printer. At the bottom of the screen are some extra options that you may want to adjust. Error Scan will scan your data for common formatting errors. The Folder button allows you to select where your upload will save. In most cases, you will want to save your upload to the default location. Click Create File when you are finished. A pop-up screen will appear, asking you to confirm your data before uploading to the Service Bureau. After reading the top of the screen carefully, click on the View Control Totals Report button under Step 1. Your report will appear in a new window. Please read the instructions at the first page carefully, then confirm your totals on the following page or pages. Now close the window. You can save a copy of the report to your computer by pressing Save Control Totals Report to select the location. You will then need to re-enter the total number of forms you are uploading under Step 2. Select your preferred transfer method under Step 3. The Service Bureau suggests the default option, built-in HTTPS Secure Transfer, to securely send your data to the Service Bureau over the Internet. If the first method fails due to your Internet firewall, we suggest that you use the second option, built-in FTP using the Internet. If you choose Manual Transfer, you are going to be prompted to choose a location where your upload file will be saved. This process will require you to exit the software and manually post your Service Bureau upload zip file on our FTP site. Detailed instructions on our FTP site, username, password, and your file name are provided on the second page of your control totals. The control totals report prints out upon completion of this wizard. For additional help submitting manual transfer uploads, search Manual Transfer in your software help file. Make sure you have selected the correct printer. Once you have verified that your control totals are correct, type in your name as a digital signature. You are now ready to begin the upload process. Click Upload My File at the bottom of the screen. Another window will pop up informing you the file was uploaded successfully. Click OK to continue. You will now be able to see your uploaded session listed in the Service Bureau Upload Center. Notice that the status of your session is listed as Done, HTTPS. Your upload form summary will be printed, and this confirms the file was created and successfully uploaded. Finally, our Service Bureau will contact you once your forms have been received and processed. Once your Service Bureau upload file is received, the Service Bureau will notify you via email. The Service Bureau will likewise notify you via email once the IRS or SSA accepts or rejects your filing. In late January, the IRS or SSA notifications are delayed on occasion due to heavy volume. Thank you.